As we look back on 2025, we want to thank you, the restaurants who power Uber Eats every day. This year's updates were built to help you work smarter, turn insights into action, and reach more customers when it matters most. Staying connected with customers is at the heart of running a restaurant. Here's how you can personalize their experience before and after an order is fulfilled. Focus on action, not analysis, through quick customer review summaries, and make confident business decisions with deeper customer insights, like who's ordering and from where. Help make sure you get orders right before they go out the door. Chat with customers in real time to confirm details, like substitutions or special instructions. Make the most of your marketing budget by using groups in your ad campaigns. By breaking a campaign into multiple groups, each with its own unique audience. There are more ways than ever to reach new customers and showcase your food at its best, even outside of the Uber Eats app. Be a part of everyday Uber rideshare moments with a new Uber Eats carousel, as well as restaurant recommendations during rides, directly on the Uber app. Nailing the order pickup handoff makes the experience better for you, your customers, and our couriers. And even the little things can make a big difference. From lunch rush to late night, make sure couriers know exactly where to go, helping orders move faster and stay fresher. And finally, saving time on delivery frees you up to focus on other tasks, which is why it's now easier than ever to update your customer-facing Uber Eats page and get help if anything goes wrong. Get your restaurant holiday ready in minutes by updating holiday hours across multiple days and locations all in one go. Help attract more customers with a full detailed menu. We'll suggest custom item descriptions so you can simply review and approve. And if you need help with tasks like updating your holiday hours, use our new AI assistant directly in your Uber Eats Manager dashboard. This year was about saving time, gaining a deeper understanding of your customers and your business, and helping you drive more orders so your restaurant can continue to thrive. Thank you for your partnership and all that you've accomplished with us in 2025. From all of us at Uber Eats, happy holidays. And here's to continued growth in the year ahead.